Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing clay ornaments. We're going to start with step 1. I need everyone to put their name and their class code on a piece of paper. That's because I'm not going to have you guys write your initials on the back and your class code, because sometimes we forget, and then also sometimes I can't read people's writing. So if you write your name and class code on it, I'll put it on there at the end of the day. All right, we're going to start with the slab. Everyone is going to get a slab like this. You're going to start by putting your ornament in the center, like that, and then you're going to trace around with a needle tool. Be careful with your needle tool because it is very sharp. You make sure that you're pressing down so that it's touching the bottom of the table or the tablecloth. Okay, and then you're going all the way around. All right, once you're done with that, you can take your ornament off and remove the excess clay. Now, you might not use this, but I'm going to put it to the side for now, just in case. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of tap around and smooth out the edges with my finger if I have any rough edges. Sometimes I use a little bit of water. Okay, next step, I need to make sure that somewhere on my ornament I have a hole so I can hang this up later, and I need to make sure I'm going to use the end of my tool like this, making sure that it goes all the way through the middle, out the other side, so that you can see the other side. All right, next step is I'm going to add my details, okay? So there's a couple different choices. One, I could carve into it with my clay tool. This time I'm not pressing as hard. I don't want it to go all the way through, okay? And I can add a heart like this, carving in lightly, like that. Or, if I like, I can make a heart out of my excess clay. If I want to kind of add on top of it. Shaping it with my fingers. Maybe I want to cut it out. Okay, and then once I'm happy with my heart, what I'm going to do is I am going to score it, which means scratch it on both sides of where I want to add it. And then I'm going to add slip, and slip is just basically way watered down clay. It's kind of like the glue that's going to stick this together. Now, if you do not scratch it and slip it, it will not stick. Okay? So I'm putting it on this side, I'm putting it on this side, and then I'm pushing this down on top so that it stays. Then I can go ahead and smooth out the edges with my finger. All right, once I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and put this back on top of my piece of paper, and then I'm going to bring it over here and I'm going to put it on the tray like this. Okay, then I can wash my hands. Any excess clay you can give to Missy. I'll throw it in a bag, use it for later, and you can go back and fruit dry. All right, thanks.